Is you?
Yeah, I guess so.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hey everybody, we just checked into room 304 at the Hampton Inn and Suites in Orlando, Florida by SeaWorld. So, a little different for us, but here is the room we are in, room 304. You walk in the door, on your left is a wet bar, cupboards, microwave, and a larger refrigerator than we're used to. Got an ice bucket and a coffee maker. There is continental breakfast here each morning. So you walk in and then you have a couch and then 2 queen beds, a long desk area, a lamp there, a little table, the TV goes there. So it's a place for a TV, but we should be able to turn it. Has a little ottomans over here to the left, big sitting area. We had extra stuff, but 2 queen beds, 2 nice large windows. Let's head into the bathroom. Big mirror, 1 sink only. Looks like there's a closet over here. Whoa. On the track, I'll have to fix that. Ooh, that's not good. Little two-hander there. We did find some interesting drawers here in the Hampton. You got these little metal racks next to or underneath the TV. It's about the only drawers you can find. On the nightstand, you do get an alarm clock, a telephone, and 2 plugs with some USB ports. Here is the toilet room and the bathtub and this basic shower. Alright, this is room 304, Orlando, or Hampton Inn, Orlando. SeaWorld, Florida there. Here's our view outside. Parking lot, nothing grand, just hotels all over the place. Alright, we'll see you at the next rope drop.